Max Verstappen, I want your I don't know. Watch this, because I'm doing this for you.
Today, I've got a different kind of video for you guys.
Alright, let's see. How am I going to start this?
What's up, guys?
Welcome back, guys. So, a little bit different video today, but I got a pretty amazing gift for Christmas from my girlfriend. You're hiding under the video.
I'm comfortable. Shut up. Let me live my life.
Hey, who edits?
Me.
Me. Fine. Fuck you.
Okay, fuck off. STD
Wait,
store.
I should have gotten like 50 Red Bull cans.
No.
No! And like stacked them everywhere.
Too late.
No! God, please, no!
Why didn't we get a Red Bull flag?
No!
In the background? Come on.
Because we're not sponsored by Red Bull. Who?
This is for you, Max. Okay? Red Bull. Go team. I don't fucking know. Alright, let's see. I've never done a helmet review. I'm thinking how to start this.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel.
Okay, let me focus. That's funny that the camera's got like all of this right now. I don't even know what to do now.
Tell them what it smells like.
Really, really, really ridiculously good.
Put it on. But hold on, let me get my spot.